what's up? It's your girl Key. Thanks for clicking on me. If you are new to my channel, welcome. This channel is all about making money online, where I review top IT and cloud-based softwares. I also give you tips and tricks on how to make money online. So, if you are interested in making money online, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to your girl channel. Me and you, we are on the road to success. Today I am reviewing this product called Kash4Watching. So, guys, this person has found this super duper crazy loophole that gets YouTube and TikTok to pay you for watching videos. Super duper crazy. Like, what? I didn't even know this exists. It's super duper crazy. I will be going through the sales page and exposing my super duper bonuses to you guys so you can make the best for your buck. Don't forget, my bonuses are absolutely free and they're at a limited time offer. I will be going over everything that you need to know when it comes down to this Kash4Watching so you can make the best decision for you. Let's get into this review. Alright guys, so when it comes down to me going inside the members area of Kash4Watching, I don't know what's going on. My review access is acting stupid. So I really can't show you what's inside of the members area, but I can give you everything that you need to know when it comes down to you making a decision on picking up Kash4Watching. Let's get into it, guys. Don't forget, my bonuses are free and they're at a limited time offer. So if you want my bonuses, make sure you click that link in my comments or in my description and pick it up. Just press any of these yellow buttons and you can get your copy of Kash4Watching. All right, guys, let's get into what this product has to offer for you. So right here it says game-changing software exploits underground loophole for unlimited YouTube and TikTok payments just by watching random videos online. Okay, guys, you give your phone at least 3 hours a day just scrolling and watching everybody else live while yours fade away. So why not get paid for it? Okay, like, this is dope. I love YouTube and TikTok be taking my hours. I'm not even gonna hold. So why not get paid to watch random videos online? Okay, they found a loophole for you to do it, so why not do it? All right, when it comes down to this product, this is a fully cloud-based product video watching software, and you get paid for watching other people's videos, and it really works. Groundbreaking AI videos, money maker. Just watch and earn. Fresh new video tools for your customers. Guarantee high conversions for you. One-time payment only in 0 monthly fees. If you can watch YouTube, you can earn money with this, guys. I watch YouTube without anybody forcing me to watch YouTube. I watch YouTube waking up in the morning. I watch YouTube going to sleep at night. So I definitely can watch YouTube to make some money, okay? And all you need is a computer or a phone, okay? If you don't got no computer, that's fine. If you don't got no, if you got a phone, that is perfect. Like, you only know computer, you got a phone. Majority of people got the phone. So that's dope. You can do this on your phone. And nothing to figure out. This is all a done for you system. Perfect for affiliates, e-commerce sellers, online or just people just online. So this is 100% newbie friendly, easy to use software, and the shortcut to online success. So that is dope, guys. So we do have some prices and upsells with this one's not just a one-time payment. So you have the front end price at $17. Then you have the low one, and then you have the low one, then you have the high one. Then you have the upsell number 1, which is at a price of $36 and so forth. And so you got the downgrade version, and then you have the upsells. So you can just check that out for yourself. Right here, when it comes down to the front end price, you just have the access power for the Kash4Watching software and training modules. When you are interested in making money online, you need to know what's going on. So here are some also key benefits that you may be interested in knowing when it comes down to you getting Kash4Watching. So right here it says we're guaranteed payments every time we watch silly TikTok and YouTube videos. 1,000 plus members already earning using the system. More than 700,000 already paid out. Push one button, turn any phone or computer into a video machine. No video creation needed, being on camera or paying for traffic ads required. So you don't need to do any of that. And this is 100% newbie friendly. This is really the easiest system to earn. Even a 70-year-old can do this. So old people can do this, young people can do this, anybody who can literally read can do this. So this is a 24/7 income stream, started within just 9 minutes, no monthly fees, and double your money back guarantee. And this is back behind a 30-day money back guarantee, guys. So when it comes down to those upsells and upgrades, I want to get a little bit more in depth to what they have to offer. I need to find it. Guys, just bear with me so I can just give you a little bit more information about those upgrades. If I could find it on this freaking sales page. So you'll know exactly what you're getting yourself into. If you even need the upgrades. I don't even think you need the upgrades. Oh, and they have 2 bonuses for you guys. So they have bonus number 1, a built-in masterclass to get you 1,000 per month. Unlike other programs, we built over-the-shoulder case studies and in-depth training straight into Kash4Watching, showing you step-by-step how to run a winning campaign. And then we have bonus number 2, Kash4Watching commercial license. Get fully agency rights and commercial license to Kash4Watching, so you can get an extra $500 per day by selling videos, earning systems to others. So those are the bonuses they have right here. Special bonuses. First, 150 action takers unlock 2 Kash4Watching max multiplier upgrade. So you get the upgrade if you are the if you are the first 150 people to get this, guys. So I want to see where. Oh, guys. So we have some. Okay, but don't just trust our word for it. Here are some real video experts have said about it. So, guys, we got some testimonies from Art LaFleur. We have Venkata, some testimony for Venkata and KME. Brian, we have some for Daniel, guys. I want to show you the value. So this is just the bonuses. This is just the package. I want to see like the upsells. I don't even know if they have it on here. No, they have the front end, guys. So yeah, they don't have full detail of the upsells on. Yeah, the upsells that I just went over. So they don't really have no like detailed description of these upsells, guys. So if you are interested, you can still pick it up through my link below in my comments and in my description. Let's watch this little brief video of this what they have to offer. So Kash4Watching, I'm only gonna watch like a minute, and then we're gonna go right into my bonuses.
Warning: pay attention to this video, and you could end up rich. Imagine if you could, overnight, be making thousands in YouTube payments from a completely untapped $400 billion industry on demand with the push of a button. But it's not what you think. You could do it all without ever being on camera, recording your own videos, or having to pay for ads or traffic. In fact, all you need to do to get paid is to browse YouTube. That's right. With this software, if you can watch random videos on YouTube or TikTok, you can bring home thousands a day in revenue without ever having to be on camera or record your own videos. This brand new app called Kash4Watching is minting video millionaires left and right, and can turn you into the next YouTube king literally overnight. It's so good, thousands of newbies just like you have already earned their first commissions with it. And the best part, it requires no complex software, steep learning curves, or $100 outsourcers. No paid traffic, ads, or video creation. No experience needed. In fact, with Kash4Watching, you earn every 9 minutes.
Alright guys, so that's been a minute of this short little video. If you want to watch the rest of it, you totally can. Just go to my bonus page, baby, and click click here to secure your copy and your bonuses. Just click that and it will bring you to the sales page and you can pick it up. I want to go over my bonuses, guys, because this is literally the best part. So don't miss out on my bonuses. I told you it's a limited time offer. We only have 3 days left. Oh my gosh. So let's get into it. So we have Zero to Profit with printables. Get Zero to Profit with printables to generate sales on autopilot with this underground technique and strategies. This is a step-by-step bonus tutorial training, so it'll have everything you need to learn a new skill, guys. If you don't know what printables is something, it's digital. You can create it one time and sell it like a freaking to infinity and to beyond, guys. Like, it's no limit. And then we have bonus number 2. This is Printly. Get Printly. Learn how to sell digital items to keep your conversions coming back so you'll have an evergreen profit, guys. When I say evergreen, I mean evergreen, baby. Create it once and sell it for infinity and beyond. Okay, no Buzz Lightyear, but that's literally facts. So if you want to pick up any of my bonuses, you just want my bonuses, bro, you can just totally come over to my description or in my comments, in which I will leave a link to my bonus page, guys. Then we have bonus number 3, learn how to write headlines that sell. Okay, so we are selling printables over here. We are trying to make another income with another different strategy. So when it comes down to you making a caption or letting it be known that you sell printables, you have to have a dope title. So why not learn something new? Learn how to write headlines that sell to make sure you are getting your audience attention until they buy, and you don't have to worry about nothing extra because you did what you had to do. All right, then we have bonus number 4. This is for the action takers. I told you already, my bonus page is at a limited time offer. Only 3 days left. So if you act fast, you will be receiving 60 plus different softwares and underground techniques to learn how to create a bigger and profitable online business. Bro, you're going to have training by Jonah Armstrong himself, Brendan Mace, and more of the top vendors in the game. Okay, guys? And you're going to get access to all of these bonuses. You can use to scale your bonuses. Well, you can use to scale your online success. You can give out these bonuses for free to maximize your email list. You can do whatever you want to these bonuses. These bonuses, they are literally yours. You have 60 different bonuses. You got 60 different things to help you online. You have some traffic getters. You have some how to build a buyers list. You have a lot of different things in here. Then we have bonus number 5. This is all the vendor bonuses in which they have to offer. So guys, the vendor bonuses that they have to offer, you will get all of them. Don't forget my bonuses, guys. Mine is at a limited time offer. You're gonna get their bonuses, but you're not gonna get mine if you miss out on this timer right here. If you come to my page and it's all zeros, you can't get none of my bonuses, but you can still get Kash4Watching, guys. If you're interested in just making money doing something that you do every freaking day, might as well just pick it up. This is at a front end price of $15. Okay, so you don't have to pay $17, you can get it for $15. And guys, if you want to check it out, this is backed by a 30-day money back guarantee. So check it out for a few days. If you don't like it, or if it's not doing what it's supposed to, send it back and get your money back. But you can keep my bonuses for absolutely free. This your girl Key. Thanks for clicking on me. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to your girl channel. We are on the road to success, me and you. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell so you will not miss my next review video or any helpful tips that I have to share and upload. See you in the next. Thank you.